Anytime that you see me doing a pre-workout, it's gonna be a good day. Iced tea lemonade is my favorite flavor. I'm gonna drink this 30 minutes, start my warm up. By the time that I start my workout, this is going to take full effect. I added a scoop of creatine and I am going to have BCAAs during my workout. This is the flow, almost every single time. Okay, so today's arms is a functional arm day. I get so many messages about my arms. What you think I do for my arms is not what you think I do. So today the workout is going to be so simple, functional, but this is literally how I've built my arms, my shoulders, amongst other things, but let's get started. It's gonna be a good one today. I'm gonna start warming up with jump rope, and I'm just gonna do a full song. Start jump roping, 5 minutes. I'm gonna be picking a song that I'm really obsessed with, Let It All Work Out by Lil Wayne. Because I can't use that music for copyright issues, I'm just gonna listen to it. I needed that. Upper body. We have 3 movements that I am going to be doing back to back to back with no rest in between. Let's start with a tall plank. We have 30 seconds here. I'm gonna tuck the hips under. I'm gonna push away from the floor with the heels of the palms, and I am just going to hold. Okay. I can be here all day. Now, pushing away from the floor with the heels of the palms, we're going to shift to down dog and hold. You're gonna be seeing me doing a lot of iso holds. And part of the reason why we do them is to help you establish position and to make you really strong in all of these positions. Okay. I'm gonna bring my legs down. Let's go into 20 seconds of that bird dog. I'm pushing away, nice and long, reaching the arm towards whatever's in front of me. Find some glutes here. Okay. And I'm gonna switch. Okay. All right, team, so let's go into the second circuit. We have 2 movements. One is going to be a working set that I love so much, and the other one is going to be a mobility movement. Let's do our mobility move. We have 10 cervical rotations. So I'm gonna bring this band. You're gonna love when you try this. The lightest resistance. I am now going to bring my elbows towards my knees. I am going to round and open my arms, and keep in this position. I am going to say no. You may have to remind yourself to continue to round, so you're gonna feel a ton of shoulders here. And this may be very difficult in the beginning, but you're gonna love it. Make sure those elbows are nice and tucked. Oof. Let's move on to the third circuit. It's all in the forearm plank. So we have a forearm side plank, form plank with body saw and prone swimmers. So we have strength, strength, mobility. Let's get it.
Calentura pura, chula, te prende el fueguito, el disco en la tula. Le explote la pista, nunca te quita, tú me castigas. Party, después para el after party, nuestros labios Bacardi, te vuelve super natty, ey. Vamos pa'l party, guayando todo el tiempo, a brindar todo el cuerpo.
So let's finish this workout with 3 movements. A dumbbell all-4 tricep kickback, a Zottman curl, and a supine pelvic rotation. Bring your weight. I really wanted to do this with 5 pounds, but let's push.
I can be a coach like Carter. If you got the fee, we can barter. I got the pack that you need for a starter. Rebel, not a martyr. Truth is, nah, they can't do it like me. It's Janset, baby, know what I mean. Little spice in the scene, and we break it down, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, make it go up and down scene. Rocker that we drink is better than the lean. Flow's got me feeling like it's feeling like a fiend. In the fire in the belly, yeah, lips full of steam. Muévelo como tembleque, baila como stripper, nalga piquete. Un bechori, baby, estamos al garete. Una muñequita, pero no es un juguete.
That's it. So we're done with our workout. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna go take a shower and then film the nutrition portion of this. So let's go eat. I do this almost every day, if not every day. Not with walnuts. Freeze your bananas because this is what's going to give this smoothie like the best taste ever. So I have chilled almond milk. Even the spinach was really cold, and now I'm just gonna add 1 banana to the mix. It's gonna be for tomorrow. We're gonna blend everything, look at the consistency, and then we're gonna be sipping it. So this is meal 1. This is how I break fast. First meal.
This week, I wanted to show you 3 of the recipes I've been consistent with. These are not only geared towards building muscle as they are loaded with protein, but they contain the vitamin, mineral, antioxidants, and fiber profile needed to keep our guts, immune system, and our bodies healthy. Our relationship with food is key when it comes to overall wellness. You can't really out-train a bad diet, but your diet can be so flavorful and satisfying that you rethink about what dieting truly is. For this Picadillo recipe, I use 90-10 organic bison. I keep red meat to a minimum of 2 times per week. This recipe can also be made with ground turkey or ground organic chicken. The Greek yogurt is 0% and naturally sweetened. I have added a serving of dark chocolate covered almonds and some strawberries, which I have before dinner.
Remember, there are so many different ways that you can adjust to your needs and to your lifestyle. I want everyone to remember this year that we are not only using nutrition to put on muscle and decrease body fat and have some aesthetic goal. Have a better relationship with food, eat super yummy, eat for health and nourish your body from the inside out. So take notes. I really hope that you try these recipes. I am adding the picadillo recipe below the description, and everything that you need to know is going to be there. I'll see you next week with a leg day. So get ready. It's going to be a good one. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.